Hello, and welcome to my presentation on the management and conservation of the Canada warbler. We will discuss key elements in their conservation, as well as their distribution and life history. The Canada warbler is an important songbird to study in conservation because even though it is not globally endangered, it has declined sharply across much of its range. In Georgia, it is especially important because the state sits near the southern edge of the species' breeding range, so suitable habitat here matters for the species' long-term presence. The biggest threat to the Canada warbler is loss and fragmentation of moist forest habitat, especially when the understory is removed. This bird depends on dense shrubs and low vegetation, so logging, development, and heavy deer browsing can make the forest unsuitable for nesting. The species is also threatened outside the breeding season because it is wintering in forests in the Andes that have experienced major deforestation. One effective management strategy is to protect and restore large forest areas with thick understory and to use forestry practices that maintain shrub layers instead of removing them. This fits the Canada warbler's life history because it nests close to the ground in concealed shrubs and has short breeding seasons, so it needs safe cover available during a narrow window each year. Another useful strategy is reducing migration mortality by lowering nighttime lighting and making glass more visible to birds. The Canada warbler nests on or near the ground in dense shrubs, so protecting the understory is essential for keeping nest sites hidden and safe. Its short breeding window means that even small disturbances during nesting can lower reproductive success. And because it is a long-distance migrant, conservation cannot focus only on Georgia. It also has to protect stopover sites and wintering habitat in South America as well. In other words, the bird's life history makes habitat protection important across its entire annual cycle. Overall, conserving the Canada warbler means protecting the kinds of forests it actually needs to breed, migrate, and winter. Its life history makes it especially dependent on dense understory, so habitat management that keeps forests structurally complex gives this species the best chance to recover. Thank you.